How to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Facebook. Go ahead and search for that. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now launch open your settings, then head over to apps. From this list of applications, find Facebook. Then you want to tap on the storage option. Here select Clear Cache. Once you do that, head over to Facebook and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then what you want to do is head over to your profile, tap on the three dots, now scroll all the way down and find the option of Copy Link. Copy your profile link. Once you have copied it, head back. Now tap on the three lines. From here you want to scroll down and find the option of Help. Here select Report a Problem, then tap Continue to report a problem. Here select Don't Include. Now you want to select Games or Apps. Then over here you simply want to paste the link that you have copied and then describe the issue that the professional mode is not shown on your profile. Then go ahead and submit that. Now Facebook team will help you fix your issue, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.